Sandhan. All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
Heterocyclic chemistry is the main important point of these all worlds in out of state as well as in Gujarat. Satellite के माध्यम से heterocyclic chemistry is on working as an industrial chemistry as well as on research work. In industrial chemistry there are so many applications based on heterocyclic chemistry as well as on research work. They give so many information about biological activity as well as in inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry. They are the basis for this heterocyclic chemistry. Now what is the base? That is the heterocyclic chemistry means there must be a cyclic compound and it is in the ring. There must be a closed system. Suppose cyclic system is there, but this cyclic system, in that case there is no heteroatom. This we name as a cyclohexane, but due to the presence of heteroatom nitrogen, suppose heteroatom oxygen, suppose heteroatom sulfur, so there must be a closed system, and in closed system heteroatom either nitrogen, either oxygen or sulfur present, either phosphorus is present or either silicon is present. So this heterocyclum present in the cyclic system in the ring and we call as a heterocyclic compounds. Now this heterocyclic gives so many information about biological activity and it is important in the dyes, it is important in the drugs, it is also important in the alkaloids, natural occurring alkaloids, and also it will give valuable information about microbiological activity in the compound, either cyano compound or it is chlorine compound related to heterocyclic compounds, and it gives so many research papers on organic chemistry as well in analytical chemistry. In organic chemistry, so branches heterocyclic compounds are introduced. In dyes, suppose reactive dyes cyanuric chloride, in this compound it is a saturated compound, but this type of the compound is there, so it will call as a pyridine. Now this compound is a unsaturated compound, but this compound heterocyclic compound containing 6-member ring, it is a saturated compound, but this is called as a pyridine, but this is called as a piperidine. So both are heterocyclic compounds. One is unsaturated compound, heterocyclic compounds, another is saturated compound and it is also a heterocyclic compounds, but both are used as a solvent in organic chemistry and also in the reaction it is used as solvent for both compounds. These are the well known. Pyridine and piperidine is a solvent in the Noval gel reaction as well as in many reactions, and in the organic symphony its utility is main important in chemistry. Now another point, that is what are the heterocyclic compounds, that is the main important. So first it must contain a closed system, that is a cyclic system, and it must contain a heteroatom either nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur or phosphorus or silicon. So there must be a rules for the heterocyclic compounds. So this is the basis for the heterocyclic compounds and it's important. If it is dyes is used, so reactive dyes Suppose cyanuric chloride. So it is known as a cyanuric chloride, cyanuric compound, that is 1,3,5 triazine, and this compound is 1,3,5 triazine. It is known as a est triazine, and this compound, it's est triazine, and it is as a reactive cyanuric chloride for dyes, reactive dyes, and it is so important in the heterocyclic dyes. Reactive dyes act as a cyanuric chloride. So these are the three heteroatoms are present in this compound, that is 1,3,5, three heteroatoms. So it is known as tri plus azine. So another point, that is reactive dyes. Suppose papaverine, plasmoquine. Papaverine is an natural occurring alkaloids. It is used in natural alkaline. It is a heterocyclic compounds, that is a base compound is quinoline. In this compound, it is a fused system, heteroatom present in this compound, heteroatom, that is nitrogen, and it is called as a quinoline, is the base compound. So this quinoline is prepared by two methods, that is a scrap synthesis and another is a Dobner-Van Mueller synthesis. Out of these two methods, scrap synthesis is the well-known method, because it is the cheapest and we can easily prepare by using scrap synthesis. Now another in the heterocycle is used as a isoquinoline. Its great importance. Also it is known as isoquinoline by method is Beechler-Naspers synthesis. These two quinoline, that is one is quinoline and another is isoquinoline, both are prepared and in the laboratory, and it gives valuable information about the industry as well as in research work. Now we start with the point, that is the isoquinoline. It is also used in, that is pamaquine, plasmoquine. It is also important in the drugs. It is also important, the drugs also important in the pigments. Pigment is also used, that is heterocycle. Now in this all this compound, if nitrogen is there, we abbreviated as aza. If oxygen is there, we abbreviated as oxa. If sulfur is present, we call as a thia. If phosphorus is present, we abbreviated as phospha. If silicon is present in this compound, we call as a sila. So this heteroatom is important in heterocyclic chemistry, and it gives valuable information about the research work as well as in industrial application, and so many research papers are observed in the compound during inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, as well as in physical, as well as in analytical chemistry. So first we discuss about the heterocyclic. What are the naming? What are the basic rules for these heterocyclic compounds? Basic IAPC rules. Without rules, we can't naming as heterocycles. Basic rules for IUPAC name of heterocyclic compounds. So numbering is always start from the heteroatom. This is the first rule. And the first rule, that is heteroatom, is numbering start if nitrogen is there. Suppose this compound is there. Nitrogen 5-member ring is there. Heteroatom is there, nitrogen. And this compound is a unsaturated compound, and we commonly call as a pyrrole. Now it is, according to the IUPAC name, we numbering is start from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is a 5-member ring, we call as all. If nitrogen is present, so we call as aza. So if aza plus all, A is yielding where necessary, so we name as azole. So a pyrrole IUPAC name is azole. Now another one is second number. If 4-member ring is there, oxygen is there, heteroatom oxygen is there, so we call as a oxa. But in this ring does not contain nitrogen atom, so we name as ete. 4-member ring is there, so we call as ete. Ring containing nitrogen atom, ring without nitrogen atom, there are two salt alternates, ring containing nitrogen, ring without nitrogen atom. And this compound is unsaturated, means carbon-carbon double bond is present. If carbon-carbon double bond is present, so it means it is a unsaturated compound, and we call as ete. So ete indicates 4-member ring, oxa indicate oxygen atom, and ete for 4-member ring, so name A is yielding, so we call as oxide. If another example is there, if nitrogen atom is present, same situation is observed in this compound. Third one observation is, so one numbering is number is 3, 4 and another is 5. There are 3 alternates in possibility. So this contains carbon-carbon double bond, this contains carbon-carbon double bond, this contains both carbon-carbon double bond. But in these 3 examples, we naming as different. So there are the rules. This is name as, so it is known as 2, 3. Numbering is start from heteroatom 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, numbering start from heteroatom 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, numbering start from 1, 2, 3, 4. All 3 examples are unsaturated compounds, but numbering is different. Another fourth one is, this is the 4-member ring. Now this is the 4-member ring containing oxygen atom. This is the 5-member ring containing oxygen atom. Now 4-member ring containing oxygen atom with unsaturated, so oxa plus ethane. So name as oxa plus ethane. So A as yielding, so we name as oxetane. Suppose another example is there, 5, 4-member ring is there, sulfur atom is present, heteroatom sulfur is there, so we name as thia plus ethane. A is discarding, that is yielding where necessary in combining 2 compounds, so we name as thietane. So another compound that is 3-member ring. So for 3-member ring is there, nitrogen heteroatom is present and double bond is present, unsaturated. So name is, so heteroatom present we call as the aza. 3-member ring is present. 3-member ring present, so we call as ere. But in this case, there is a ring containing nitrogen atom, carbon-carbon double bond is present, and this present, due to this we call as erene. So we connect this aza plus erene. This will indicate 3-member ring. So aza plus erene. Erene, due to the presence of carbon-carbon double bond, means unsaturation. So we naming as azerine. But same compound is there. This compound both are different. One contains carbon-carbon double bond, that is unsaturated compound. Another is saturated compounds. So this will call as aza plus iridine. So we yielding A were necessary. So we can name as aziridine. So these are the 3-member rings containing nitrogen atom with unsaturation, ring containing nitrogen atom with saturated compound.